Welcome to our channel. Today, we've got a treat that's perfect for fall and those busy days when you need a quick energy boost. No-bake pumpkin spice energy bites. Ingredients: 1 cup old-fashioned oats and a cup pumpkin puree and a 4-cup honey. Our maple syrup for a vegan option and a 4-cup almond butter or any nut butter of your choice, and a 4-cup ground flaxseed and a 4-cup chopped nuts. We're using pecans, 1 tp pumpkin spice to 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Wait! Before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Lion Weight Loss Supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below.
The first ingredient is 1.5 cups of quick oats. You could use old-fashioned, but I recommend using quick oats for this recipe. Next, we're going to add about 1/2 cup of pure pumpkin puree. Now, you want to make sure this isn't pumpkin pie filling, but just the puree. After that, we've got 1/2 cup of natural peanut butter. Make sure that you're checking the ingredients label and make sure that there's just peanuts in your peanut butter, not a ton of additional sugar. Otherwise, these aren't as healthy as they could be. Now for seasonings, I've added some cinnamon and some pumpkin pie spice. Now the sweetener. We use honey in this recipe, and here for honey, spray your measuring cup with some nonstick cooking spray before you measure out your honey. Honey is so hard to pour it all in and to clean it once you're done, but if you do that, it comes out so easily. After that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of flaxseed meal. This is what binds the bites together, so you don't want to miss this. Then we've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour that in. This ingredient is optional, but I like to add 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder just to add a little more protein to this snack. The last one is optional, but I like to add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips because let's be honest, pumpkin pie spice and chocolate chips go hand in hand. Mix it all together and then take a baking sheet lined with foil and you're going to roll the dough into balls. They're about 1 inch. Out of each batch, I can usually get about 24 balls. Once you get those all rolled, stick them in the freezer for about an hour and your snack is ready to eat.
Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Lion Weight Loss Supplement, click the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.